Ito na po, yung in-order kong 1 gram. I just received it today. I ordered it last Wednesday. Ayan po, oh. Swiss Golden. Through DHL. There you go. Ayan na po siya. Ito po yung receipt. Nakapangalan sa akin. Lotus Joy. Ito po, may certificate. Swiss Golden. Nandito po yung there you go. Certified po yan. Valcambi. Ito na po. Sinasabi nilang scam. Nandito na yung proof. Got it!